Lesson 33, diphthongs.
This word is so odd-looking and takes a little bit of practice to pronounce even.
But literally it means two sounds or two voices, right?
Right. Because D is the to part of the word and thong is the sound part from Greek.
The actual Greek word is phthongos, right?
Right.
And again, as I say here in the book, the easiest way to explain what a diphthong is just to provide an example. And so the word boy is a classic case of a diphthong in English speech.
Right.
You know, sometimes I think of the word glide. I think of gliding from one vowel sound to another. Would you say that's a good way to describe a diphthong, Catherine?
Yes, because gliding implies that it's hard to tell when one sound ends and the next sound begins. And that's what we're going for with a diphthong, that it's so close together that it's almost the same sound, rather than two distinct sounds.
And in the word boy, that becomes very evident. I'll say the word slowly so we can hear as I glide from one vowel sound to another vowel sound. Boy. So as I say the word boy, I start out with kind of a rounded O shape, bo, but by the end of the word, I'm saying E. So I'm gliding from O to E, and thus the idea of two sounds, an O sound and an E sound. And so as I glide from one to the other, that's the nature, really, of what a diphthong is. It's that gliding from one vowel to another. Boy.
And we don't think about diphthongs very much in English, but as you illustrate, we have them for several different sounds, not just for the oi sound in boy, but also for the I sound in words like tie and high and ride and cloud and queen and such things.
So, Catherine, before we go to the next lesson, let's go through each of these English words here in this bulleted list, and let's talk about the two sounds in each diphthong. So in the word foil, it's kind of like the same sound in the word boy.
Mm-hmm.
So we have aw and e, and we glide from one to the other. Foil, right?
Right.
What about tie? What do we get in the word tie?
So tie, we get ah and e. So we go from tie. And
again, your tongue is moving.
Yeah, the tongue moves up from the ah sound to the e sound.
So if we slow it down a lot, it sounds like tie.
Exactly.
You can hear the gliding. What about the word cloud? So cloud. Apparently, we start with ah, some kind of nondescript A-class vowel, and then end up with ooh, cloud. Kind of a rounded vowel at the end.
Yeah.
And what
so
about
we
queen?
Almost move through three different sounds for that one. From ah to to ooh. Cloud.
And what about queen?
Well, queen is ooh and then e. But we say it so quickly, it's almost like it's a W sound. Queen.
So we start out with kind of a rounded O sound, I suppose, and then end up with a E sound at the end. So the purpose of this lesson has been to give you a basic introduction to what a diphthong is. And we're doing that because pretty soon we're going to be looking at diphthongs in ancient Greek. And so we just wanted to give you an idea of what they are and how to pronounce them, and give you a little bit of awareness of the fact that we have them in English and that you already have been pronouncing them your whole life. And so we're just building some awareness. And now let's make a queen getaway and finish up this lesson and go on to lesson 34.